How to view personal page on Get.io application. Are you guys facing issues to view your personal page on Get.io application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Get.io on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now click on your profile icon. If you don't know how to add a profile picture on Get.io application, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Now again click on your username. You can see the option for personal page, tap on it, and that's it guys. That's how we're gonna view personal page on Get.io application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Get.io application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.